Hello guys and welcome here. So in today's video we are going to talk about the ATAN2 function inside of Microsoft Excel. So this function works a little bit like the ATAN function. What it will do, it will return the arctangent or the inverse tangent of a specified x and y coordinate. So the difference between this function and the ATAN function is that the ATAN function will simply return the ATAN function of the arctangent of a certain number, and in this case it will return the arctangent of a coordinate, so an x and a y coordinate. So as you can see here, those are our coordinates in the format of a chart, just for you to have a visual of these coordinates. Please also take note that the angle will be given in radians between minus pi and pi. So right here, the answer that we are going to receive will be minus pi, between minus pi and pi, and it will exclude minus pi. So if you want to run this function, how exactly we will do this? So pretty simple. This function contains two variables, two arguments. The first one will be the x coordinate and the second one will be the y coordinate. So I already have my coordinates here. So what I will do, I will just write down equal, and then I can write down my ATAN function. So A10, just like this. And then I will write down 2. And I can open up my parentheses. Here, as you can see, there is two elements that I will need to enter. So I need to enter my x coordinate or my x number, which will be right here. And then after that, I will have to enter my y number or my y coordinate that is right here. Once it's done, what I can do is I can just run my function. And as you can see here, I have the answer that is associated with these two coordinates. So if I want to apply this, this function to all my x and y coordinates, I can just do it like this. And just like that, I have my ATAN2 function applied to all my x and y coordinates. And I have pretty much my ATAN2 function for all of those. I'm not gonna put it on a visual format. It's possible to do so, but what you can see right here is the x and y coordinates that are just here, and we have the ATAN function that is associated, ATAN2 function that is associated with each one of these two coordinates. So as always, if you like this video, don't forget to leave a like, to subscribe, and see you in another of my videos.